Good morning, grade 5. Our lesson for today is about using affixes, root word, prefix, and suffix. What is an affix? An affix is a word part that is added to a root or base word. It changes the meaning of the word. Affixes are either prefixes or suffixes. Why do we need to learn root words, prefixes, and suffixes? We learn root words, prefixes, and suffixes so that we understand the learning behind different vocabulary words. A root word is a base word. You can change the meaning of it by adding suffixes and or prefixes. Example, act, meaning to move or do. Example, actor, acting, or reenact. Form, meaning shape. Conform, formulate, reform. Meter, meaning it's a measure. Kilometer, millimeter, pedometer. Another, tele, mean far. Example, telephone, telegraph, and television. Scent, meaning to feel, consent, sensation, and sensing. Fact, meaning to do. Example, factory, faculty, faction. And multi means many. Example, multilingual, multiple, and multifaceted. What is a prefix? A prefix is a group of letters that come before a root word. They can change or clarify the meaning of root word. Example of a prefix, pre, meaning before. Example, preview. An prefix, meaning not. Example, unhappy. Re means back or again. Reread, replay. Non, definition not. Example, nonsense. Sub, meaning under. Example, submarine. What is a suffix? A suffix is a word part that is added to the end of a root word. It changes the meaning of the entire word. Okay, suffixes come at the end of a word. Sometimes a suffix will tell you what part of speech or tense a word is. Example of a suffix, s or es. Definition, plural, more than one. Example, books, sandwiches. Ed, definition, past tense, regular verbs. Example, cold, learned. Another suffix, less, means without. Example, careless, hopeless. Er means one who, a person who. Example, baker, teacher. Another suffix, full. Definition, full of. Example, hopeful, careful. Thank you, grade 5, for listening. See you again next time. God bless.